What's up guys, this is Smith here with Sea Hunt Boats. Today we're gonna walk through how to operate your windlass. First thing we're gonna do here, open the hatch in the bow, reveal the windlass box here. We always recommend, even though you can operate it from the helm, we always recommend you come up here to the bow using your pedals here. That way it gives you a good line of sight at your rope and your chain. First thing you're gonna wanna do is release the safety latch here, then go to your buttons. Obviously, down is gonna be deploy, up is gonna be retrieve. To deploy, press and hold. Next, we're gonna retrieve it. We recommend that when the anchor's coming up, you try to start and stop it like that just to give the anchor some time to get into a right position before you seat it. Once you're finished retrieving it, what you wanna do is the steps backwards. Retrieve the anchor, apply the safety latch, close the hatch. Then you're all set to go.